Papa, good morning. I heard you lost your uncle. I'm so sorry.
Yeah,
I don't know him.
How dead?
Pam.
I'm going to say about family.
You there?
What's it to you?
Let me pick up I'm sitting
I think I'll come around here. They go on like a find out what
Let me
you want. Just junk crow.
You have to down down before. You can't look my time. Sharon! Sharon!
Sharon. Oi.
Pipefoot's calling Alicia Sharon. Lord have mercy.
I'm here to work for the cemetery.
What?
Why you call people their right name? God.
I skirt that?
Yes, that's good. I'm not alone at the kennel.
Where are you going? What do you do at the cemetery? They hired you?
Why?
You hear what you want to tell me? Wait for you. Who? Wait for who, honey?
My son.
I'm not looking rubber down.
Yeah, man.
Take your dance and pay man for you.
I mean, let me talk. God have mercy, boy. Not to the man.
If I would. Right, listen.
We will go.
May I take off this sometime now?
If you give me, and then what close the chain. Let's give me, my back.
Crutches you want to go buy in early morning now.
Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Joe. Come, baby. Come, sugar. You can't do that, man. I'll wait. Come, baby, come on, come. Time going on. So if you have your paper clean.
You think my foot are clean? Thank you.
Chain fit, man.
Thank you. You want me to bring you back one? You can give it to your girlfriend.
No, man.
You don't have no woman? Well, there's plenty of them in America that want you.
Yeah, I'm going.
You want to go to America?
Yeah, come, Sherry, come on. See if I make too much, man.
Guys, so my mom's going to peel some sour sop.
Sharon, come on, make Sharon.
It's good. It just has a very unique taste.
You see you? You see you? Treat me same way. When I beg you banana, you say, okay, banana, come give me fine food. So where are they?
I bought a Guinness for him. First day.
Yes.
First day, fine foot. You don't remember my kindness?
What?
Wally.
Yeah. 5 foot, darling. How much money do you want? He would like $10,000. $10,000. Okay?
Why you sweet? Watch out.
She only has a.
Come on. Come back. What's change the feel?
He said that he will.
Lord, man, tell us, man.
Look at your wife.
Yeah, trust me. Yes, you're looking good.
Mama, pick you up a chain. Cut this.
Come on, just give me see the man. This baby. Yes, good. Come on, man, I suck like
It not change.
Your skin look good. How is it?
No.
Where's that? What do you mean?
No, that change me have. Me not no change.
I got to be some.
You're gonna come back, 5 foot. I would never see you
I'm
again.
not going to get my paper key.
You want me go to key what me pick?
Oh, you're borrowing something. Okay.
Don't shame me.
Mom shame you? She is a woman of the Lord.
Why you want to shame me? But me you say anything, you know. That dog, you know. Yes, girl, this is sweet, me like man, yeah.
Lise, here. Give this to mommy.
I want to say you see me.
5 foot, do you see your woman dancing?
This is your what?
5 foot inside.
What am I saying? No. You don't spoil anything.
I'm going to go drape your money, you know.
Aye. Yes, I mean, I said, you go to the road.
No.
You like to come up and go
You don't come up here? I'm going to come up here.
You never come here.
some old man, you like to come up here.
Who? Simone.
Give me 50 names. Every day give me one different name. Me don't even know my name. What's my name 5 foot? I have to go by the front door.
So, can we go bring up inside them? I know. Every time I my show. You like to be drunk on my car.
Where last time she go do?
To go I'm sorry.
This hour.
So,
Eh?
Wow, great. This is
So
I
if I
can't buy my working shoes. I still the one they done. I mean I wait for the bag you. Eh? You don't know when get it? It's done. Hmm? Them are the one? You still drink tea from one? You drink strong liquor?
We drink tea, man, man.
Yeah, you sitting?
Yeah, man. You don't get it. But you want to stand down.
better jungle wonga ni
No, belly too big. Nobody pants on.
You know what party today? Go bread?
patty or cocoa bread.
You buy film?
Yeah, money, man. I'm going to do it. I'm going to watch it. If you want to do it, buy this one. I'm going to come here and give you. All right.
Where did you find where?
Call.
5 foot, where did you buy the last cocoa bread? It didn't taste good.
I used to, I only want it.
Where go buy?
Ramen, say me.
Lamans.
You don't know.
They have to sell lamans. Lamans.
I said, you buy a party in Yangwood.
Ufa.
Yeah, man, that's one. Tan. I didn't know one pick. Yeah, my God.
My mom.
You have a pressure cooker.
Bye, 5 foot. Say bye. I don't want the cocoa bread. It was hard. I'm not gonna call you 5 foot. You don't answer anyway.
So we are calling answer.
5 foot, how are you gonna ride after? This is your bike? How are you gonna ride your bike? Aren't you scared somebody's gonna steal your Jeep?
They feel like a bicycle.
Why is it Sharia?
Sharia. Oh, name Sharia.
Sharia.
If you don't have one lucky bicycle. Jaga station. Goodbye, sir. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. You come and get first a rabbit.
Right foot. What? My uncle brought mangoes last night, a whole bucket of mangoes, and they smell so good. What kind of mangoes are these, Mom? They smell so good.
May I wash my hand and eat 1 dozen?
1 dozen?
No, as much.
They smell so good. Good morning, leash.
My people. Good morning.
Give them their daily devotion.
Their daily devotion.
Shauna Ching, what is Sharila?
I call this up. Sharida.
Sharon. Yo, 5 foot is crazy.
A mess.
Yo.
Singing, no,
Guys,
no,
the Beyonce of our family.
No, me not sing.
Why? That was such... Mom's calling you a goat, Leisha. Full singing voice.
Okay.
Go ahead.
No.
Sing the My Girl Cho. Leisha, play back the song now.
Coloring books. So we ink up everybody.
La 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 la. Money pull up.
Leave me alone for the rest of the day, okay?
Guys, we are eating mangoes. How is it? Leisha, this one isn't ripe.
Right. You can have one.
Oh, I got it. Ooh. Guys, Alicia just ate like 20 mangoes.
That's much.
Yes, it's that much. I ate 3.
How much me eat?
20.
That's not so.
They're so good. Mom's gonna wash your hair after. Whatever.
If I want Johnny, man, I don't. You never even said Johnny?
No, you love her.
Miss one color back here. Here lang do.
But use your nail and scrap my scalp when you do the second one or whenever. But my scalp is dry. Oh, that one. Ooh, Alicia, salon treatment.
So my wife going to use her shake.
Shake, girl, shake.
There was a mouth wash me here too.
Huh?
That also I need to wash my hair.
Hey guys, we are going to the grocery store.
What shall I call it up? You must be back down somebody.
I wear a headband, but I don't know if it looks weird. Anyways, we're going to the grocery store really quick, but it's raining. My face looks weird. Guys, we are going to Lucy to... It's raining more under the tree. Guys, we're going to Lucy to grocery shop. Mom's here. I have on this headband. I think it looks... I don't know if it looks weird. Should I cover my hair right here? I don't know. Makes my head look... Dang, I have a big forehead. I have a big forehead? Looks big. This is what my hair looks like with the headband. Does it look stupid? Let me know. Guys, we're in the grocery store. Damn, my forehead look big. We're shopping. This is my outfit. Headband from my website. Earrings from my website. Jewelry from my website. Top from Shop House of Elegance. Do you guys remember this? Do you guys remember this apple juice? My mom used to buy it for me all the time when I was younger, and I remember it. Mom's trying to give me Vita Malta. I don't want that. Okay? What is that? I don't want that. Okay? I drink it, but I don't like the Vita Malta. Is that different? What's the difference? What's the difference between Vita Malta?
I'm here in the police station today.
Why?
We'll lock up you.
Why are they gonna lock me up? Is there a difference with the taste?
One of them better.
One slice.
Man feel like a champ right now. Smiling to the bank right now, yeah. Man shining on the plans right now. Start up to be my hand drive out, yeah. Make the money, then you save some. Just in case one day the rain come.
Just came home and Leisha's here eating ice cream. Mom just brought us bun and cheese. I love bun and cheese.
A sandwich more. Insult the people on the back of the bun.
Mom always gives you that. How you eat bun and cheese and ice cream in her cheater ass pants? Guys, I'm in Leisha's room eating cane. This is my 20th bag of cane. We were supposed to go to a wake today, but it's raining. So guess where we're going?
Bed.
To bed.
I'm going now. I may go
You're gonna go?
out.
Oh my gosh, so good. All right, guys. Leisha, you want to say hi? Where are you? Hi.
Hello.